8 days, 7 nights, and 1 mission to see the site of Kuala Lumpur most tourists completely miss. Today, we are leaving the skyscrapers behind to find the heart of the city. From the largest wet market in Kuala Lumpur to a hidden traditional village tucked right in the center of the concrete jungle. This is day 3 of our Malaysia adventure, and it's about to get delicious. I just found the kings of fruits. For a price so low, I thought it was a mistake. But before we feast, we have to navigate the maze of Chow Kit. Let's go! We started our morning at Tun Sambatan Station. For just a few ringgit, the monorail takes you on a 20-minute scenic tour through Bukit Bintang before dropping you off at Chow Kit. This place is legendary. Named after Lo Chow Kit, a 19th century teen tycoon, it's a district where history meets the hustle. Just outside the station, look up. You'll see the massive mural of Datuk Sudirman Ashad. He's the legendary singer who literally made Chow Kit Road a household name in Malaysia. The market here is split into 2 worlds. The dry market is a sensory overload. Endless rows of tropical fruits, spices, and even DVDs. But if you head into the wet market, it's the real deal. You'll see everything from fresh poultry to mutton and fish.
Pagi di jalan Chow Kit, mentari pun tersenyum. Langkah kaki berpusu, kata mula berirama. Bunyi hon dan tawa, cerita lama dan baru. Di sini hidup berwarna, semua jadi satu. Dari gerai ke gerai, aroma memanggil hati. Sayur segar, kain berkilau, rezeki dicari. Oh Kit, oh Chow Kit, berdenyut nadi kota ini. Pasar Chow Kit meriah selalu. Di sinilah kita bertemu. Oh Kit, oh Chow Kit, tak kira siang atau malam, irama jalan ini buat aku jalakin tadi. Penjual senyum manis, suara tawar menawar, cerita hidup bersilang, penuh rasa sabar. Langit terjadi saksi, mimpi terus berlari. Di Chow Kit kita belajar, letih hidup sejati.
Head upstairs near the food court. There are these incredible, eye-catching murals depicting the everyday lives of the people who make this market breathe. It's the perfect photo op.
Dari kota ini, pasar Chow Kit meriah selalu. Di sinilah kita bertemu. Oh Kit, oh Chow Kit, tak kira siang atau malam, irama jalan ini buat aku jatuh cinta lagi. Bila malam lampu menyala, cerita siang jadi kenangan. Chow Kit terus bernyanyi, tak pernah tidur, tak pernah sepi. Oh Kit, oh Chow Kit, legenda kota takkan mati. Pasar Chow Kit, jiwa rakyat bersatu dalam harmoni. Oh Kit, oh Chow Kit, di sinilah mimpi bermula, irama Chow Kit, salamnya di jiwa.
Just a short walk away, we visited the Guru Nanak Daba Tatt Khalsa Diwan. This is the largest Sikh temple in Southeast Asia and the spiritual home for 75,000 Sikhs in Kuala Lumpur. The peace here is a beautiful contrast to the market chaos. But then, the smell hit us. We found a stall selling Musang King Durians for only 20 ringgit per kilo. We grabbed a 2.5 kilogram beauty for 45 ringgit. If you had never had Musang King, it's the pinnacle of durian. Bright turmeric yellow, bittersweet, and incredibly creamy. Since you can't take these on trains or into hotels, the stall provided gloves and water for a roadside feast. Honestly, I'm officially a convert. Next, we stepped into Kampung Baru, or New Village. It's a 223-acre miracle. Imagine traditional wooden Malay houses on stilts, coconut trees, and quiet streets, all while the city's tallest skyscrapers loom in the background. We wandered through Laman Raja Abdullah, a stunning garden filled with Malaysia's national flower, the hibiscus. It's the quietest place in the city, smelling of frangipani and bougainvillea. We weren't hungry enough to hit the food stalls yet, but the aroma of authentic Malay cuisine were everywhere. Full disclosure, we tried to find the Raja Chulan station and got completely lost. We ended up hiking northeast through Dang Wangi and Jalan Ampang until we hit Bukit Nanas Park. I haven't been here in years, and the new exterior, complete with a waterfall and wall murals, is stunning. Exhausted, we stopped at Soul Food in the AIA Financial Centre. It's a massive 10,000 square feet space. I tried the Ipoh Hor Fun and Chichong Fun. It's part of the Vitality Island initiative, so it's a healthier, lower sodium version. The noodles were silky smooth, though I definitely missed that traditional salty punch. But the day isn't over yet. We're just getting started. Kuala Lumpur is so much more than just shopping malls. It's the contrast between a high-tech monorail and a village that stood still for decades. In the second half of day 3, we're heading to Masjid India, Pasar Seni, and the world-famous Petaling Street. You do not want to miss the night market vibes coming up next. If you enjoyed this tour, hit that like button and comment below. Would you try the Musang King Durian? Or is the smell too much for you? Subscribe so you don't miss part 2.